Hi everyone, today something completely different. I have a little tutorial for you on how to use our new skin refining polish. Not a new product, but new to retail. This is something we normally only use in the treatment room, but we are selling it right now to you, our current clients, so that you can keep up with some of your skin routine at home. So a little bit of what we'd normally do in the treatment room for you. So this is our refining polish. You will see it on our web shop right now. So I just wanted to show you how to use it. So a little home facial. So it's Sunday when I'm recording this at home. So this is my Sunday spa day. I always do a little something like this every week. So it's a powder. This is going to be awkward to show you because of the angle, so I don't want to spill it, but putting out around about a little level teaspoon. Oh gosh, there it is. This is a mixture of 4 different ingredients. Each of them is going to either help with cellular renewal or with skin nourishment. So dry powder in your hand, just a little bit of water. So the objective here with the water is to just turn it into a paste, enough, rubbing it into my hands, enough to dissolve the actives, but not enough so that it's running down your face. So just rubbing it into the hands and applying to the skin. I started with clean skin, I'd already cleansed, and we are just making a nice mess and rubbing that in. So the powder's a little bit gritty. There's ascorbic acid crystals in here that you will feel. There is a vitamin A, there is willow bark, which does make it unsuitable, by the way, for anybody who is pregnant or breastfeeding, but everybody else is good with this. So there's a slight gritty texture because it's a powder and there are big particles. So I'm massaging it into the face, but the objective with that is it's not that it's a physical exfoliator. It's not acting as a scrub. What we're doing is just massaging. I'm getting a few more drops of warm water now. What we're doing is just massaging it in with wet hands, very gently. And the idea is that the water is going to dissolve the active ingredients from the dry powder and your skin is going to absorb them. Because of the ascorbic acid content in this, is a slightly low pH in that, so that is going to, on some people, when you're not used to it, especially cause a little tingle. It's not tingling on me right now, but I'm used to it. So a little bit of tingling is absolutely fine. So the massaging movements are just to spread it around. It's not to affect a scrub. As I say, it's not a manual scrub. So once it's all spread around nicely, just patting it in. So once it's in, you have a couple of options that you can do with it. This is definitely one for over the sink or in the shower because it is a little bit messy. So you can, if you're new to it, like 30 seconds like that on the face is enough. You can just rinse it away and you can build up your time to leaving it on for, after about 5 minutes, the job will be done. That's the maximum you need to leave it on. Again, I'm just getting some more warm water on my hands, patting it in again, making sure that all of that powder content is dissolved, that the ascorbic acid crystals are dissolved. You can get it right around the eye contour area, and then not forgetting the neck. Smells a little bit like hay. That's what it's reminding me of. A little bit earthy when you're using your natural botanicals, of course, you'll get that. We don't use perfumes, as you know, in any Skin Essentials products. So you can see it kind of seems to have disappeared, more or less, because it has dissolved. So you can choose then to take it off straight away or leave it on up to 5 minutes. I'm not going to keep you hanging on there while I leave it on for 5 minutes. So taking it off, I'm running a microfiber cloth, again under warm water. Always when you're using water in your skincare for cleansing or for anything else, never hot, never cold, warm is just perfect. And squeezing that out and just removing everything. So you can do this It doesn't matter, day or night. You can do it in the morning before your normal day products, or in the evening before your normal night products. Or you can choose to make a full treatment out of it, which is what I'm going to show you now. So you can see a little bit of redness in my skin, so that is the ascorbic acid. That'll be gone down in a couple of minutes. So making sure that's all off. So very, very simple. Dry my hands. So this is coming, you can buy this on its own in our web shop, or you can buy it as part of a kit, which is on a really good offer at the moment. The kit comes with two of our best-selling products, Skin Comfort Cream and Skin Comfort Oil. And that is so that you can make a full facial treatment out of it, which is what I'm doing now. So 1 pump of the Skin Comfort Cream, mix it with 1 pump of the Skin Comfort Oil. That'll take a few pumps to come up because it's brand new and it needs to be primed. There we go. So 1 pump of each, mix and apply. So this is a really rich skin nourishing mixture. So when I am doing it in this full facial treatment like this, I usually do it at night so that I just go to bed and let all of that goodness soak in overnight. And as with almost all of the Skin Essentials products, everything is intended for use right up around the eye area, face and neck, and what's left over doesn't get wasted, it goes into your hands. So that, I hope, will help. A little demo of how to use the skin refining polish. You can use it, depending on your skin, I would use that 1 to 2 times per month. If you have a skin that's prone to breakouts, you can use it as much as once a week for now, to keep things under control until we're all back to normal and back into our routines. But for normal skin, for dry skin, basically any other skin type except breakout prone, 1 to 2 times per month is plenty. Any questions on that? Drop it in the box below and I'll be happy to answer it. And I hope that you're all keeping safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.